Hey jumpers, Crossrope athlete Jenica here to talk about body weight exercises that you will see in the Crossrope app workouts and Crossrope app challenges. So let's get started. First off, we're going to talk about mountain climbers. Alright, so your basic mountain climber, hit the mat. You want your hands directly under your shoulders. You want to be up on those toes. You want your core pulled in tight. You want your back in a nice straight line from the top of your head to the tip of your tailbone. And then you are going to bring those knees in, alternating legs, left, right, knees in, core engaged, breathing through it all. And you can take the pace up and do your mountain climbers a bit faster. You can also take the pace way down and make them really slow, low impact, low intensity knee-ins. No matter what modifier you're using, do be sure to keep that core engaged and that back nice and straight. Now, if these things bother your wrists in that position, you can take a pair of dumbbells, as long as they have a nice flat edge and they won't roll away on you, and use those to wrap your hands around in that dumbbell grip, and then do your mountain climbers while keeping a nice straight wrist. That might make your wrists happier about mountain climbers. You can also invest in some of those push-up handles that do a similar thing, keeping that wrist more comfortable throughout those types of bodyweight exercises. You can also do a cross mountain climber, where you take that knee across inside towards the opposite elbow, knee to opposite elbow. Lots of ways to modify it and change it up. Another beginner modifier would be to put those hands up above the level of your feet. So on a weight bench or a staircase. No matter how you modify your mountain climber, do make sure that you keep that core engaged and that you breathe through it and really think about working that body. Happy jumping!